I'd like to say hello, of course, to Lord Nelson. Hello, Horatio. And I want to tell you a little bit about where I come from, the Isle of Lewis, in the northwest of Scotland. I'll give you a description of the island. It is brown and beautiful to behold. It has the moor on it and the peat. We are very attached to the peat. Yes, for us it is the living heart of the island. And for centuries now we have cut the peat together as a community, helping one another out in whatever way that we can. We're a very close-knit community, a bit like the Harris Tweed itself, you know. Hand-knitted and made to last, whatever the weather. So I have a bit of the peat here for you to see. I brought some for you to see. Would you like to see it, sir? The peat? Oh, well, I tell you what, I'll leave it here and then you can have a look at it later. That's it. Yes, stop here. Right. So those of us on the island, we are all Sunday observers. And by that I don't mean that we read the Observer on a Sunday. No, what I mean is that we observe the Sabbath and all that is holy. So on a Sunday, it means, of course, that we stop. We stop. We don't go on cars or buses for a picnic. No, not at all. We don't even open the shops or buy and sell anything. No, we don't dig the garden and we don't hang the washing out in the line. We have a little rest at the end of a long week's hard work. We stop. So, what is happening?